Ay, mga bayat, na nasa ning bayot nga bilatan, guys. Today is May 17, I think. Yep. And it's a wedding day or several weddings sa akong friend nga si Crestamy. Congrats both of you with your husband to be at this moment, guys. Look at my kasi abi ninyo na chikinini ha. Paso in town na guys, gahapon paprito na ako sa or barbecue in the pan. Grabe. Gani wala ko na nawong kay kung nanawong. Naging siya little bit dere oh. Pero good sira. Then today mag-make up ko sa iya guys. Dayon mag-attend po ko sa iyang civil wedding.
Digid siya. Ako na gina 15, 14 years old. Digid. Di na gusto nga na ay same nga pero it's blessing man na ni Lord. If ever na ay mo gawas na baby sister or baby brother. So thankful ka. Dili gusto. Kung gusto dahil sa ni Lord, dili ka gusto. Gusto na, di ba? Oo, kay pagbuot man ni Lord, na ay mo yung baby brother o baby sister. Diba? Para happy family. Diba? Okay? Ha? Anyway, to guide or kung may problema, may maduulan, to seek advices, and sa himuon. Number one po nakita na ako sa panagbulag sa usa ka pamilya. Kaniging makialam ang parents both sides. Nga unta kay labi na nga dili bisag nakita nga sala yang anak pero nga lang nga palangga dili wa man gani na ako nasugad na tugdon is lamok niya ako na singka-singkahan na noon nakita na gud sa parent nga ubay ka na akong anak nangitabo na magbulag naging will be bonded together may we stand as a living witness for the civil marriage ceremony the witness Rocky and Krista May, you have come together to sell and strengthen your love in the presence of this community that you may assume the duties and responsibilities of marriage and in mutual and lasting fidelity. May I now ask you to answer truthfully the following question. Krista May, did you came here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband? Yes. Rocky, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, sir.
Rocky and Krista May, since you wish to contract marriage, please join your right hand and express your intention before me. Both right, awit. No, tubang lang mo, tubang. Krista May, do you take Rocky here present as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Rocky, do you take Krista here present as your lawful wife?
Yes, I
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
do. Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
I, with the authority of the local government code as the mayor in this municipality, calling on all those present and witnesses, confirm and sanctify the bond of marriage which you have contracted. These rings symbolizes each one's commitment until the end of time.
Myself to you in love and faithfulness.
Okay, wear this ring as a sign of my gift of self to you in love and faithfulness.
Rocky and Krista May, I now pronounce your husband and wife. Congratulations. You may kiss the bride. Di ingon nga 12 years, dili okay. Di ba? Sahit na kay pang pictorials. Oh.
Wala, nag-duty.